Hello. Today we will be discussing about an important topic that's not mostly discussed. So whether you are leading any EPC project or any large scale project, you will be coming across kickoff meeting. So today we will be discussing about how to conduct an effective kickoff meeting. So the topic of our discussion will be how to lead an effective kickoff meeting. So anybody who watches this video, I would like you to comment on it and share your experiences, how you successfully conducted a meeting and what were the major uh, uh, learnings in your meeting that you conducted for the first time, and after repeatedly conducting many meetings, what were the difference of it. So today in this topic we'll be discussing deep dive. So the first part is the preparation. So what we do in the preparation part, definitely we discuss about the purpose of the meeting. Okay, why do we want to conduct the meeting? What will be the objective of the meeting? Okay, so this means that we clarify our goals. Okay, what benefit we will be getting after we will be doing this meeting. And the last of all, we identify the desired outcome. Second part is we, during the meeting, we discuss about the introduction of the project. We give the project overview. Okay. Then we discuss what will be the communication protocol, as who would be kept in the two, who will be in the CC. We discuss about the scope, overall scope, and the objectives. And definitely the last of all, we discussed about the timelines. Last and the final stage, once we have done the meeting, that's called the post meeting part. What we do is we create MOMs and we circulate them, email them to all the stakeholders. Now, who are the stakeholders? Anyone who can positively or negatively impact the project. Secondly, When we create the MOM, is it must have the action items. Okay, it must have some key decisions that are done on the meeting. Okay, and once you have sent all the MOMs through the email, you follow up on the action item. So this is a small, brief roadmap sort of thing, or a refresher for most of the people, that how we can lead an effective meeting. And if you want such more learning educational videos, please do let me know. Thank you.